Welcome everybody. Hi, I'm Claudia. Thank you so much for opening this video. I am in Jamaica. You know, I sell real estate, so today I bring an opportunity to you. Somebody who wants to buy a house, wants somewhere to live. This one is in Sucabba Pen, out in Old Harbour. If you don't know Sucabba Pen, then you're gonna wait for us to bring up the drive-up video. Alright, so about now this house two sides, right? So this is the first side, or the older side that was built. As you can see, wooden windows. Alright, so this is the first thing that you would need to repair here. Alright, as you can see, tiles, no tiles on the floor. We're also having a problem here with bad construction. So this deck would have to be taken down totally because your steelwork has been compromised. Now, when the steelwork is exposed to the air, the oxygen, rust the steel, guys. Rust the steel. So when the steel rusts, it swells. And when it swells, the concrete starts to drop off. So this, I would totally take this down. Maybe you would probably want to put just a light roof up there, zinc roof. But this, you want this down, right? This is better. So this side is okay. No challenges here. You just need to fix this, right? To paint this, and you're good. As you can see, so this room was already tiled, but you might just want to tile the whole thing in one color. This is supposed to be acting as supposed to be acting as a living area. You also need electrical work. So as I said, this is the old side. Alright, let me get back onto the other side. So we also have the unfinished side. So this would act as a carport here. Actually entering the front bedroom. And this side, the construction was done much better. Much better. And this is your bathroom. This construction on this side is solid. This is where it's supposed to really be your kitchen. You see, they started giving you the pipes and so on. Is it? No, those are electrical. No, this is a bedroom. This was designed for a bedroom. What's happening is that on this side is where the kitchen would have been, but they haven't given you any piping for the kitchen. So you can determine where you put the kitchen. I don't see any plugs either in this room. So that's another thing. So I don't see any plugs. I don't see any switch. Hold on, let me just check right here. So, wow. So they forgot to give you switch and plugs. Remember, I'm in Sucabba Pen, which is in Old Harbour. Right? But your main concern, the main thing you would fix first is this. This looks to me like you would have to take this down totally and just redo it. Whether you're gonna slab or you're gonna roof, I would probably just do a light roof on it. And your entire electrical system would have to be run. I noticed that on this side, they were surfacing the electrical. But it's modern times now, people will put these things in the wall. And right here, they had a door, but they blocked it up. And I noticed I started a door through that side. I'll show you. So anybody have some money, we really want to get rid of this one. Now, this one does not have a registered title. What you will get is what we call a conveyance. All right? So ask me for the details on it. It was sold by one of our housing companies, government housing companies in Jamaica. And they have not yet finalized the titles. I can't tell you why they didn't finalize, and I can't tell you how long it's going to take either. But what I know is that you get a conveyance and your name will be added to the roll of persons who would own in here, Sucabba Pen. All right, so this is where they were hitting out for the passage to get back through on the other side. So it's actually spec for a 2-bed, living, and kitchen, and a garage, and a porch. All right, so this is what the backyard look like. These are the backyard, people. So this is, as you can see, is a small plot. Over there is a neighbor, and this is where they do have water. So they do have running water. That's not a challenge. The house itself doesn't have any electricity, so you would have to go through the process of getting your electrician to set up the electricity. So, anybody needs somewhere to live? You want to give me a call on this one? Okay, looks like they were trying to also go upstairs. They left out something to go upstairs, but I don't know if I would go upstairs. You have 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, living and kitchen. That should be good. All right. You want to give me a call? 876-292-6776. Remember, I'm Claudia, and it's all about the real estate. So be great to yourself and buy real estate.